Welcome back. On today's episode, we continue on our journey across the Pacific Ocean. On our sail to Galapagos, we had many booby birds, red-footed, blue-footed and Nazak, resting on the boat.
It is day 4 today. We just came across a pod of dolphins, which that was really cool. It's always nice to see dolphins, especially when we're in the middle of the ocean. For us it's almost like a sign of good luck and that we're on the right path. But yeah, we're making good progress. We're about 463.9 miles away from the Galapagos Islands.
By day 5, the weather started to take a turn and we began experiencing some rough seas. Jimmy and Finn filled the fuel tanks by siphoning fuel from the barrels through a hose.
With yachts and wind, never goes to plan. So our plan was to get for the Galapagos to get south into, there's the Galapagos there, so south and get into the southeasterly trade winds. But we came out here and we've hit headwinds, so had to go across this way. So we're currently going west across past the Galapagos about 200 miles to the north, and then hopefully the wind turns to the southeast some more and we're up there, and at least we can start angling down that way to try and catch the trade winds. That's the current plan anyway. Nothing goes to plans with yachts and wind.
What was it like last night?
Rough. And we had ropes bust in the middle of the night, and left my hatch open and it flooded my bed. And a big wave over the deck, and had better nights, but you know, we survived, and you know, everything's fine. Just about to change the oil on the starboard engine, and we're washing and drying towels that we had to mop up all the water last night. Everything's okay.
And Zen and Bounty?
Zen is about 28 miles southwest of us, and they're doing really well, even though they're only a little wee boat, only 42 feet. But the poor old Bounty, their batteries, they've had some sort of complete battery failure. They've just turned around this morning heading back to Panama. So we're very fortunate that we're at least kind of going in the right way, even though right now we're headed for Hawaii, not for French Polynesia. So it is what it is.
Well, it is day 7 since we left Panama. we talked about it the other day, it's actually technically day 6 since we began crossing the Pacific, because the first night we went to that island. It was a nice night last night, it was good on my shift, and then earlier this morning the wind picked up a bit and that wasn't that nice, but hey, we're sailing at 7 to 8 knots and we're covering some good ground. But we're about 100 miles off of the Galapagos Islands and we plan to just bypass it.
Jeez, I'm gonna waste him as usual.
With all the birds finally being gone, Jimmy and Finn got to work scrubbing the poo off the deck.
Right, Jimmy, come down here and grab that rod. Ben, oh yes, can you put a bit more throttle on and go to starboard, please? Not that one.
It's still there.
It's still there.
It's still there.
That's a miracle.
It just turned around.
Oh, how do you feel, Jimmy?
Relieved.
What a shame this colour.
After 2 hours, Jimmy successfully pulled in a large marlin.
Sean threw the skeleton overboard and it happened to get caught on our lure, so now we're dragging live bait. Dead bait. It's day 8, crossing the Pacific Ocean, and we have finally made it to the Galapagos Islands. There's the massive mountain there, which is so weird to see. There's another one there, and I have a little friend here.
When arriving, we drove through a large pod of dolphins chasing fish.
Across the Equator in Galapagos.
We're in the Equator, the zero meridian, around the middle of the world. Guess what?
We're swimming across it.
You guys get to swim across it. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
This is what's going to happen.
Can we push it off?
Yeah, stop.
Of course we can.
Shh, you guys are going to jump in. I'll be just south of the equator, sorry, north of the equator. Right, and I'll stop, you guys jump in. I'll drive the boat just over the line, and then you guys swim to the boat. Okay, jump in. Everyone jump in.
I'm scared.
Jump in! No, jump in! Jump in! So King Neptune is on board, making them all swim, because he's done this before, so that entitles him to be King Neptune. And look at them all, they're struggling, like one's even on a paddleboard. No, you don't cross the line on a paddleboard, you're supposed to swim it. There's also another one that I don't think he can swim very well. Anyway, check it out, sunset. Slightly west of the Galapagos Islands, crossing the line. All good. Here comes the first swimmer home across the line. Swimming across the line.
Cold,
Is it?
but I'm glad I was the first one across.
Oh yeah? Good. Second across the line is a Vickers.
Woo!
You can tell whether we're here. And the attitude. What do you think about that, baby Vickers?
That was great.
Oh, good.
Galapagos,
Feeling refreshed?
sunrise,
Perfect.
set.
When someone crosses the equator for the first time, it's tradition to do a line crossing ceremony.
It's Mr. Bean.
Sean being in the Navy, he got to experience the ceremony in a much more gruesome way. Instead of salt water, they got old food scraps like off milk and rotten eggs mixed with bilge water. Sean now being the captain of our boat, he was crowned King Neptune.
The lure of the sea. I, disciple of King Neptune. Here I. Yes you do. Yes you do. Once in a lifetime, you gotta do it.
This feels wrong.
Oh my god, this is so weird. Take a big deep breath.
Scared he did that to him. What's he gonna do to me?
Ruby. Hold your breath.
Once you have to patch his head up not so long ago.
Go on, yeah. Go, Anya.
I did it.
Now you sailors are officially real sailors. You have crossed the equator. Look at the sun.
The Zen.
Zen's water maker broke down, but luckily for them, we were only a few miles off of each other. They tied up behind us and we passed them some fresh marlin and a hose. It was nice to see some familiar faces after a week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.